everyone, welcome back to my class. This is Rumana Ali. I hope you all are fine. In today's class, I'm going to explain you the lesson, the sun and the planets. So in this lesson, we are going to discuss about the different planets that are present in the universe. When you look at the sky in the night time, you can find some clouds. You can see the darkness, and in that darkness, you can see the bright lighted bodies like stars. They are shining very brightly in the sky during night time, and even along with the stars you can also see the moon. So during night time in the sky you can see the presence of stars and moon, but during daytime when you look at the sky you can see the presence of sun. So when you look at the sky during the night time, as I told you before, that you can see the stars and moon. These stars and moon looks very small because they are very much far away from the earth. As they are very far from the earth, they appear smaller in size. But when compared to the stars and moon, sun appears a little bit bigger because it is a big star, and the sun is a huge ball of fire, and the distance between the sun and the earth is not much higher when compared to the distance between the earth and the stars. So the sun appears bigger in size when compared to the stars and moon, as it is present not very much far away from the earth. The sun is also called as a big star, and it is a huge ball of fire. So when you see an aeroplane that is flying in the sky, it also looks very small because it is hundreds of kilometers far from the earth. So whatever the thing that is present far away from the earth, it looks smaller in size. And many passengers are also present in the aeroplane. When they look down, then the things that are present on the earth, that also appears smaller to them because they are very far from the earth. So whatever the things which are present far away from the earth, it looks smaller in size. And when we talk about the sun, I told you that it is a big star that is present in the solar system. It is a big star of solar system, and it is responsible to give heat and light. The sun is a source of heat and light, and we can get a form of energy from the sun. That energy is solar energy. So in such a way, the sun is an important and a big star of solar system which gives heat and light. And this heat and light in the form of solar energy falls down on the earth's surface. And heat and the light of the sun is very important for most of the activities that is going to be carried out on the earth's सरफेस. सोलार सिस्टम का सबसे बड़ा स्टार होता है सन. सन एक फायर बॉल की तरह दिखाई देगा, और सन से हमें हीट और लाइट मिलेगी जो इन द फॉर्म ऑफ सोलार एनर्जी, जो कि अर्थ सरफेस के ऊपर पड़ती है. ठीक है. स्टार्स और मून से अगर हम कंपेयर करें तो सन बिगर इन साइज होगा और वो अर्थ से ज़्यादा दूर नहीं होगा व्हेन कंपेयर टू द स्टार्स. स्टार्स बहुत ही ज़्यादा डिस्टेंस पे होते हैं, इसके लिए अर्थ पे से जब स्टार्स को देखा जाएगा तो दे अपीयर स्मॉलर इन साइज. So as the sun is a big star of solar system, all the other planets including Earth revolve around the sun. Now I'm going to explain you about the solar system. So the sun is a big star around which all the other 8 planets revolve. So the sun and the 8 planets together can be called as solar system. All the planets revolve round the sun. Now let us see the names of all these planets. The first one is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Among these 8 planets, Jupiter is the biggest planet that revolves around the sun. And these planets revolve around the sun on a particular path. And this particular path on which the planet revolves, this path is called as orbit, or with the help of the orbit they can revolve round the sun. In the earlier time, instead of 8 planets, there were 9 planets in total. One more planet was there, and the name of that planet was Pluto. Pluto was considered as a planet in the earlier time, but now the scientists, they are not considering the Pluto as a planet. So as the scientists are not considering the Pluto as a planet, it got removed from the solar system. And whenever we learn about solar system, now we are studying about only 8 planets that revolve around the sun. So the sun and these 8 planets together forms the solar system. When we talk about the Earth, Earth is the only planet on which the plants, animals, human beings and other living creatures can survive. Only Earth is a planet where the life exists, and the Earth is a planet which revolves around the sun, and this revolution of the Earth causes seasons. So let us see how the rotation and revolution of the Earth takes place. This one is our Earth, and here is its axis. When Earth rotates on its axis, then it causes day and night, and one complete rotation occurs within 24 hours. So how the days and nights can be caused by the rotation of the Earth? During one rotation, half portion of the Earth will face towards sun and half will be in the dark portion. So the region of the Earth which faces the sun, there you can find the daytime. But the other portion of the Earth which is present in the dark region where the sunlight doesn't fall, there you can find the night time. And in this way, 12 hours will be the day time and 12 hours will be the night time in the different parts of the Earth. And one rotation completes within 24 hours. So the rotation will be taking place on its own axis. This rotation causes day and night. Now let us see how the seasons get changes. So this is our Earth. It will revolve round the sun, and one complete revolution causes seasons. One complete revolution takes a time period of 1 year. In a year, the Earth revolves around the sun and it causes seasons. ये जो 8 planets है, ये सारे planets और sun मिला करके solar system form करते हैं. और पहले 9 planets थे. 9th planet का नाम था प्लूटो, लेकिन साइंटिस्ट ने प्लूटो को प्लैनेट की तरह कंसिडर नहीं किया है. इसके लिए whenever we talk about solar system, 8 planets और सन के बारे में ही पढ़ेंगे. अर्थ एक ऐसा प्लैनेट है जहाँ पर प्लांट्स और एनिमल्स एग्जिस्ट कर सकते हैं, यानी लाइफ एग्जिस्ट होती है. और अर्थ के रोटेशन और रेवोल्यूशन से ही डेज एंड नाइट्स और सीजन्स होते हैं. एक रोटेशन 24 आवर्स में होता है. अर्थ रिवॉल्व होता है सन के अतराफ, और एक रेवोल्यूशन के लिए 1 ईयर का टाइम पीरियड होता है, और रेवोल्यूशन की वजह से ही सीजन्स होते हैं. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न अबाउट द अर्थ, द मून. Just before I told you that Earth is a planet that revolves around the sun. There is a body that revolves around the Earth, and that body is a cosmic body, and we call this cosmic body as moon. So moon is a natural satellite of the Earth. Whenever any cosmic body revolves around any planet, then that body is called as a satellite. As the moon is revolving around the Earth, the moon is a natural satellite of the Earth, and it takes 28 days to complete one revolution round the Earth. When you look at the sky in the night time, sometimes you can see the half moon. The moon looks smaller in size, and sometimes it will be more than half in size, but on a full moon day, it will appear as a round ball. We can see the full size of the moon on full moon day, and the moon takes 28 days to complete one revolution. The moon is not a luminous body. It is a non-luminous body. Non-luminous means it doesn't shine, it doesn't have any light. But when you look at the sky, it will be shining, it will emit some light. So from where the moon is getting that light? It reflects the light of the sun. So the portion of the moon on which the sunlight reflects, that portion you can see on the sky during night time. And the moon appears in different shapes. Why it appears in different shapes? Because of its rotation on its axis. How the rotation of the earth causes days and nights? Likewise, the rotation of the moon shows the different shapes of the moon. So in this way, moon also rotates, it also revolves, but not around the sun. It revolves round the earth and it rotates on its own axis. तो अभी हम बात करेंगे नेचुरल सैटेलाइट के बारे में, जो कि है मून. मून एक ऐसी कॉस्मिक बॉडी है जो अर्थ के अतराफ रिवॉल्व करता है. मून 28 डेज का टाइम पीरियड में एक रिवोल्यूशन को कंप्लीट कर पाता है. और मून एक नॉन ल्यूमिनस बॉडी है, यानी उसकी खुद की लाइट नहीं है. सनलाइट जो रिफ्लेक्ट होती है उसी की वजह से मून ब्राइट दिखाई देता है स्काई पर. मून एक कॉस्मिक बॉडी है, यानी वो प्लैनेट के अतराफ रिवॉल्व करता है, इसके लिए इसको नेचुरल सैटेलाइट कहा जाता है. एंड एज आई टोल्ड यू दैट द रोटेशन ऑफ द मून causes changes in the shape of the moon. We can see the different shapes of the moon due to its rotation on its own orbit. So here the lesson, the sun and the planets end. I hope it's clear to you. Meet you in next class. Thank you.